Gilder, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to cover the process of making a backlit mirror. Now all I'm going to do is go over the techniques of actually lighting up the mirror, because I've covered all of the processes up to that point in my first video, which is how to make a custom mirror. So you can find a link to that in this link here, and there's one in the description as well. So basically what we have is a mirror that has been etched. It's had the back coating etched off it in certain areas where we want the light to come through. The most obvious thing to do would be to have a kind of light source directly behind it, but obviously with that you need a fair amount of space and quite a big light source. Now all you really need to do is have a light source on the edges of it, and that will shine right through the glass, lighten up all of the etched areas, and it means you only need something that can go around the very edge of the bit of glass. So what I'm going to use for that is just standard LED strip lights. Now these are the ones I've got. They've got a 12-volt adapter with them and a dimming switch, and if you look at the type that they are, they're very flat, and each little LED is raised probably about a millimetre. 1.5 mm max. Now you just have to make sure that they're the specific ones that you buy for this, because you can also get this type, which as you can see they're quite thick and like a gel. They're probably about 3 or 4 mil thick. They're not going to be any good for this because they'll be too thick, and they also, where we need this to fold in the corners, this isn't going to fold very well. So just word of advice really for the ones to get. So all we need is the mirror, a picture frame, and the LED lights. So I'm going to go ahead and start applying these to the inside of the picture frame. So the first thing I'm going to do is start in the corner where I'm going to have the lead exposed. Now you can, if you wanted to, if the frame was thick enough, drill a hole in here and then sink this into it so that sticks out there, but this is quite a thin frame. So in this case I'm not going to do that, I'm just going to have an exposed wire. And then what you have on here is a little line where you can just cut them off with a little kind of scissors mark. So once you've wrapped it all the way around, you can snip that off. There we go. So that's all of the lights applied, mirrors in there. The only other thing I'm going to do is put a bit of white paper behind it, because the mirror is slightly see-through because I've etched the back coating off it, and get the backing board in place. And that's basically the whole process. So let's have a look at the finished product. I think it looks pretty nice. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and click the little thumbs up icon, and please share the video with anyone who you think might enjoy it. So till next time, thanks.